Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Today, we're delving into the world of credit scores, specifically, your Mogo credit score. Understanding your credit score is crucial for financial health, and Mogo provides a free and easy way to access it. This accessible platform empowers you to stay informed about your creditworthiness without any cost. But what exactly is a credit score, and why does it matter so much? Essentially, your credit score is a numerical representation of your credit history. Lenders use it to assess your likelihood of repaying borrowed money. A higher score generally indicates lower risk for lenders, potentially leading to better interest rates and loan approvals. A lower score, conversely, can signal higher risk, possibly resulting in higher interest rates or even loan denials. Mogo provides you with free monthly access to your Equifax credit score. Equifax is one of Canada's leading credit bureaus, collecting and compiling data on your credit activity. This information includes your payment history, outstanding debts, credit utilization, and the length of your credit history. Mogo conveniently packages this information and delivers it right to your fingertips. Regularly checking your Mogo credit score allows you to stay on top of your financial well-being. You can identify any potential errors or discrepancies and take action to improve your score. Early detection of potential issues allows for timely intervention, potentially saving you money and stress in the long run. Beyond providing free credit score monitoring, Mogo also offers various financial tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively. They offer tips and guidance on budgeting, saving, and reducing debt. By leveraging these resources, you can take control of your financial future and work towards achieving your financial goals. Using Mogo's platform to monitor your credit score is not only convenient but also empowers you to be proactive about your financial health. It allows you to stay informed about your credit standing, identify potential areas for improvement, and access helpful resources to manage your finances wisely. So, take advantage of this free service and take the first step towards financial empowerment. Check your Mogo credit score today and begin your journey toward a healthier financial future.